Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, today on Blue Monday. Yes, it's the third Monday in January, so it's Blue Monday. Monday, January the 17th, 2022. We have here in this puzzle page one regular medium Sudoku, and we have here an additional with extra puzzles, 6 extra puzzles. First one is a letter Sudoku, then we have a 2 stars, the 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with a 1 star, and a binary puzzle. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So half of them in the additional 3 out of 6 I will solve. And first, we will solve this medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number. This will be number 3991. Yes, it's 3991. 3991. And before I start, I always count the printed digits well. This one has 28. So should be an easy one. Easier than the 1 star if you compare in the additional. Yes, 28. And for a 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. We have a 6 in the first column, third column. 6 in the first column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so the third row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Okay. Then we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Then. Let me see which number I can pick. How about? Yeah. The 2, sorry. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be here. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in the third row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in the second column, so no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Well, I cannot continue with the 2 now. Well. Need to wait. Let me see. 1. Yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Then. One in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Well, I cannot continue with the 1. Need to wait. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So no row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, now only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. Need to wait. How about 3, 5, and then 9. Need to wait. Okay. 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. Okay, 9. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here 3 in this column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in last row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes, 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. No, 6, 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square, 4 numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 it goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Let me see. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Then. Cannot continue with the 5. Come on. 2. How about 2, 2, 4, and 8. 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, the last column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 is missing in the last column. And the 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 in the last column. And look, we have the 4 and a 5 in this row. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. One box left in the last column for number 3. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so no row between. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between. Only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see that 3, no 3 there. Here, 3, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 3. Now I can continue with the 5, 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s, oh, not used. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 9. Now I can count, and all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so no row between. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. Here, 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 9. How about the 2 now? No, still cannot. Well. 2, 8. Yeah, 2, 8, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8. And look, we have a 2 and 8 in this row. Second row, so no 2 and 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and 8, let me mark those. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there, and all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 4. Alright. 2 missing numbers here. 2 and 8. 2 and the 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for number. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 in the more, that box will be 8, and this box will be a 7. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Fine. No 2 numbers of this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and an 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. A little bit slower, but I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later. Later with the other 3 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.